Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This is the design that we will be working on during this video. This is our sixth design so far in this course. And as you see, it's a book logo. You can use it for a book store or an ebook website or anything you want. So we start by opening a new page with the usual settings. Now we drag the colors and we put them right here. Top left corner, then we go to view, rulers, and we show rulers like this. We drag the first ruler right here. We drag the other one right here. As you see, we have this one right here and this one right here. One at 1000 and the other at 1200. We put a third in 1400. Then we drag this one right here, the other one here, and here we are. We zoom in a little bit and we select the pen tool. We place our first dot right here, then the second one right here. Then we click and drag like this in here. Now we go back to our last dot. We select it, we go here, and we click. Then we go here, and here. Then right here we click and drag like this, as you see, to make a curvy line. Now we zoom in. We select the curvature tool, and we adjust this line like this. Double click here to make this line like this, and double click here to make this line like this. Now we make it into any color. Now we duplicate the shape by holding the Alt button and we drag it like this. We put it right here, then we reverse it. Then we adjust its position and we put it right here to look like it's a book, an opened book. Right click, hide guides to hide all the rulers. Perfect. Now we select both shapes. Then Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to duplicate them. We change its colors to any other color. As I said, this is just an example. Then we put them right here. We hold the Shift button while we are adjusting the size of the shape. And we put it right here, just a little bit. Right click, then we go to show guides and to make sure that everything is in its correct position. Perfect. Now I select this shape, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to duplicate it one more time. We change its color again. And we put it right here. We hold the Shift button and we adjust its size to make it a little bit smaller. And we pull it up here a little bit. Perfect. Our logo design seems good so far. Now I select the shape builder tool and I select this one right here. I'm gonna change its color like this and I paint it with this color like this. Same thing in here and in here as well. Now right click and we hide the guides. Sorry, right click now and hide guides from here. Now we change the colors. We will leave the red as it is and I'm gonna change the green color. I zoom out so that I can copy the colors As you remember, I put the original intended colors right here. So we select the green color, and then we select the eyedropper tool, and we select the orange, and here we are. It's changed. Then in here we select the yellow. We make it blue in here. And this color right here. And the last one like this. Perfect. Now we zoom in. I select this little shape right here. And I make it in the same color like this, but I'm gonna make it a little bit lighter. Perfect. It's a little bit lighter than the original one. Same thing for the right side. I'm gonna select this shape right here, and I make it a little lighter than the orange one right here. We make it an orange, then we make it a little bit lighter like this. Now it's perfect. Now we select this color, we make it in yellow, then we make it lighter a little bit. Same thing in here. We use the eyedropper tool to paint it with this color, then we make it lighter like this. And as you see, our logo design looks perfect. Now I select these two shapes like this, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V to duplicate them. Right click on them, I go to Arrange, Send to Back. Then I change their color to gray like this. Then I place them right here. I hold the Shift button while I adjust their size. Perfect. Just a little bit more to make it look like it's a shadow. Perfect. Now we can add any text we want to our logo. I would drag this slogan right here and I put it right here. I adjust its size, and of course, as I say in any video, you can change its font, color and size to whatever you want. So this is the final look of our logo design. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video to work on the next logo design in our course. Thanks for watching.